You can set your iPhone to remember where you parked. To use this feature, go to Settings, Maps, and then scroll down to your car. Then turn on the Show Parked Location option. Later, you can easily find this location by opening up the Apple Maps app. To use this feature, a connection to your car's Bluetooth or CarPlay is required. Once you turn on this setting, your parked location will be saved automatically and shown on the Apple Maps. You can also ask Siri to show the parked car location. Show parked car.
Here's your car.
Once the parked car location is shown, you can tap the arrow to go to Apple Maps for directions. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking channel to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.